Welcome to today's podcast. We're diving into a fascinating intersection of design and functionality with a particular focus on how our browser's homepages can influence our digital experience. If you've ever opened a new tab and felt overwhelmed by the chaos of options, then this episode is definitely for you. So let's talk about a simple new tab, a project inspired by Google's materialYou design. It's interesting how something as simple as a new tab can really set the tone for our online activities, right? It's the gateway to everything we do on the internet. And when we look at something like materialYou, it's all about personal expression, tailoring our digital experiences to reflect who we are. Okay, so first things first, what is materialYou? Well, it's this adaptive design philosophy from Google that emphasizes personalization and fluidity in technology. Imagine being able to open your browser and seeing a new tab that reflects your style and preferences, almost in the way your favorite app or smartphone home screen does. You can think of it as planting little seeds of personal touch that sprout every time you start a new browsing session. Now, the GitHub project we're exploring today takes that concept into the realm of browsers. So what kinds of features make this new tab so special? Well, it allows users to customize their new tab experience without the clutter. Think about it. Some of us thrive in simplicity, while others might enjoy having their weather, to-do lists, or motivational quotes right at their fingertips. This project integrates minimalistic aesthetics with functional widgets, making it not just visually pleasing, but also incredibly useful. Imagine opening a tab and seeing something calming, like a serene landscape or your favorite quote, instead of a jumbled list of bookmarks. Now, here's a thought-provoking question. How do you think our online environments affect our productivity and mood? A more personalized browsing experience might lead to a more enjoyable and effective use of time online. It's fascinating because the design choices we make, whether they're personal or professional, can hugely impact our mindset. And for those of you curious about getting a little more hands-on, this GitHub project is open source. That means you could even tweak it to fit your unique tastes. Imagine having a community of people contributing their ideas and enhancements, like a digital potluck of creativity. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on how design influences our everyday lives. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with information and choices, embracing a simpler, customized experience can be a game changer. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual browser, or somewhere in between, consider exploring how a little design philosophy inspired by materialYou can transform your online experience. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to keep it simple and personalized. Until next time, what small changes can you make to your digital environment this week? Happy browsing!